Hi everyone, and welcome back to ViewSonic. I'm Courtney Rogers, and today we are going to be unboxing the ViewSonic M1X, our ultra-portable projector perfect for all of your entertainment needs. Let's go ahead and jump into it. In the box, you get a quick start guide, a USB-C cable, an AC adapter, a remote control, and most importantly, its own carrying case. Weighing in at just under 2.2 pounds, this compact projector is designed to be taken anywhere, anytime. Thanks to its HV keystone correction and four-corner adjustment, it also supports side projection, giving you more flexibility no matter the space. With 150 ANSI lumens of brightness and 854 by 480 WVGA resolution, it's great for smaller spaces, from your living room to outdoor movie nights and anything in between. It even has a built-in battery, which allows for up to 4 hours of playtime, so you don't have to worry about any power outlets. The M1X also comes equipped with our patented 3-in-1 smart stand that allows for 360 projection, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, with its vast connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB-C, it makes it flexible for all of your different content needs. The M1X is built for portability and versatility. Whether it's for home entertainment or on-the-go camping trips, the M1X can fit all of your needs. Now, if you're interested in the M1X projector or any of our other products, please stop by at viewsonic.com to learn more. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.